Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and I'll show you how to switch off the phone. In order to turn on the phone, you need to press the power key button here on the right side of the phone for a few seconds. And now, as can you see, when I press the power key button, just the Google Assistant is activated. So if you want to turn off this feature and to use the power key button to power off the device, you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the to the additional settings. Here you'll see the gesture shortcuts, and tap here to the launch Google Assistant. Click on the switcher to turn off this feature, to press and hold the power button just to use the Google Assistant. And now when we'll press the power button, we can see that we have here the power off menu, so we can reboot the device and we can also power it off. So just to turn off the device, click here to power off icon and confirm your action by click here again. And as you can see that the screen is dark, this means that your device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.